And also we have over here oven jerk chicken with corn and vegetable.
Story. You would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rock.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I am in the kitchen and I will be cooking for you guys. Yes guys, I will be cooking. Wanna miss me? Yes, I don't wanna miss me. Wanna miss me? Tell me if you wanna miss me. So yes guys, I'll be cooking for you guys. I'll be doing oven jerk chicken, spicy coconut corn. Yes guys, spicy coconut corn. Also some alfredo pasta. I love me some alfredo pasta. Ooh, I can't wait to get on in that. Also guys, I'll be doing some vegetable and some festival. Wanna miss me in the kitchen? So yes guys, before you guys go down into this video, I want you all to just like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corbudas. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do so. And remember to turn on your post notification so you could be the first one to get notified when I drop a video. Let's get cooking. Let's get into the video now. Let's get cooking. So we're gonna start cooking by starting with our chicken. Yes guys, here you have my chicken. I'm going to do some drumstick oven jerk chicken. So here I have my drumstick. It's in vinegar water. I'm soaking it for 5 minutes. I actually just pour some black pepper on my chicken. I'm going to pour some parsley. You know, parsley is nice on everything. I'm about to throw some the chicken flavor. And we're gonna well season it. These don't have a lot of salt. Some chicken tenderizer, because them chicken look big and tough, so I don't know. The first time I'm using this brand. So here is the tenderizer, so it's not tough. Guys, I'm gonna put some chicken seasoning. Most of these stuff don't have any salt, guys, so it's really just the flavor. Okay, go by put some garlic powder. Cause not oven jerk me, right? So everybody do for them thing them own way. This is how I do mine, not how you do yours. This is how I do mine. Guys, I'm gonna put some ginger powder. I think this is the last of the ginger powder that I have. Yes guys, I'm supposed to have a full bottle though, but I'm not sure. But I think that's the last of it. A little cayenne pepper. Why this not come out, guys? Why it a shame me? Not so much, because you don't want it too spicy. Guys, what is jerk if it's not spicy? Guys, I'm gonna put some crushed red pepper also. Somebody butt is gonna hurt them. Yes guys, jerk is supposed to be spicy. It's the reason why they call it jerk. Then I'm gonna go by to my You remember I say Walker's Wood. To all me love Walker's Wood. My Grace hot sauce. Actually guys, we have my Walker's Wood jerk sauce right beside me. Let me show you guys. So that's the reason why I make mistake and say Walker's Wood. Actually I have a Walker's Wood here, but I'm using the Grace. So yes guys, I'm going to go by combining all of these with a spoon together because this is too much spice and I don't want to get my hand burned up. So guys, here I have everything combined here together. Look at that. Yes, and my oven is already preheat. I'm going to set these in the pan and start my oven jerk chicken. Guys, I'm actually cooking more stuff, so just stay tuned. Guys, as you can see, I have my chicken in the pan. About to put them in the oven. My oven jerk chicken. One thing, guys, I gotta pour some beers. So you know what? I'm not putting a beer pan here. I was going to put beer, but my family them don't drink alcohol, as in my grandmother, so I can't go do that. So anyway, I'm gonna put it in the oven now for like approximately 120 minutes. Well, when it reach like half an hour, I'm going to take it out and turn them, and then I'm gonna finish it with like 70 more minutes. I have my corn here, and I'm about to cook some coconut spicy corn. What is she talking about? Yes, I'm going to cook this corn in coconut milk, but it's going to be spicy. Let's get into it. I have my water, it's boiling. I'm going to pour some salt inside. So I'm putting my salt, and then I'm going to add my corn. I don't want the water to splash on me, so I'm not pouring out everything one time. So there you have it, all the corn in the pot, and I'm going to cover it up. Yes guys, so the corn, I'm going to cover it up, let it boil. When the corn is almost finished cook, then I'm going to add my coconut milk and my spice. The corn will boil up, the corn is almost finished, so I'm going to add my pepper in it. Sorry about the heat. So you add the pepper like that. Then I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. Guys, the heat is killing me. I have my corn here, and I'm going to pour in my coconut milk. And see that, guys? I'm going to cover it. Guys, look at that. I'm also doing some festivals. Oh, well, yeah, what's our festival? Coconut corn. It's gonna be finished in 1 minute. So sit back and relax and wait for the finishing product. Guys, I have some vegetable right here. I'm gonna turn off the stove now. Woo! I'm telling you, so I come eat good tonight, you know. I think I joke I make. Wait till I post it. Also have some creamy Alfredo here. It is just regular Alfredo. No meat, no shrimp. It's a creamy Alfredo, guys. I tell you, so I eat good tonight, and I think I joke I make. Guys, please remember to subscribe. This is the creamy Alfredo. Guys, this is my oven jerk chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Moment you all have been waiting for. My dinner. My dinner. Oven jerk chicken with Alfredo pasta. And also we have over here oven jerk chicken with corn and vegetable. Yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey Goodaz. Bye guys, I'm out.